Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to chat with visitors in real time and even increase conversions, adding live chat is a great idea. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to add live chat to Wix in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we are going to wix.com here. Basically, all you're gonna do is go through this wix.com website. Just tap on it. It will take you basically to this page. This is the dashboard after fully logging in using your email address and password. As for now, we want to go to apps and install the Wix chat option. So tap on apps here, then app market. We're gonna go and look now for Wix chat. Wix chat button, Wix chat. So as you see here, we're gonna select this app and install it. Add to site or install, as it is free as you see. Then enable the chat widget. The chat box will automatically appear on your website. All you're gonna do now is customize the chat settings, edit greeting messages and even offline messages. Connect to inbox. Obviously, reply to chats from desktop or even your mobile. Then set the availability times. Choose when the chat is online or even offline. All you're gonna do now is publish it to your website. Save it and publish the changes. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.